How to check login history on Facebook. First of all, launch your Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Once you get to your home page, navigate to top right corner and under that chat icon, tap on your profile icon with that three-line icon. You will land on menu page. From here again, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner in front of the search icon in menu page. That will take you to your settings and privacy page. Here scroll down and look for an option that says activity log. You will find the activity log under your activity section, tap on it. Now on this page that is activity log, you will get a menu bar right here. From there, tap on activity history. From here, tap on this option at the top left corner as filters. From this drop down menu, tap on categories. So first of all, tap on this last information that says logged information. Then tap on location. Again, tap on all. And in this space, you will be able to view all the location in all the devices where you are logged into your Facebook account currently. Now, if you go back once again and then tap on activity history and then tap on filters again, here again tap on categories, and now from this category page tap on security and login information. Again, tap on logins and logouts. Again, choose all. And in this page, you will be able to view all the logins and logout history of your Facebook account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.